As the Fed Chair Powell's testimony in front of the Senate continues, we are seeing the yields remain up on the day. The 10-year is up about 5 basis points. Stocks, however, have started to chip away at their losses, trading just modestly lower, with the S&P index now down minus 0.9%. The NASDAQ index down about minus 0.6%. For the Aussie versus US dollar, it's trading near high levels, maybe encouraged by risk on sentiment, but the price action has been up and down. I will go through the technicals that are driving this currency pair in this video, so let's get started. The high price today is extending toward the high price from yesterday. Actually just moved a little bit above it. We're also extending into this swing area. This swing area is defined by a number of different swing lows and swing highs going back in time. If we go back to this area right through here, we had a low, we broke and fell sharply to the downside. We came back up to this area through here, and moved to the downside again. Once again, we moved to this area, down, back down, back down, back down. Broke above it here, tried to hold support and move higher, but could not do that, failed. Had one last gasp here before moving to the downside through here, and returned back here, and trading last week and early this week. And here we are as a fast forward to today's trading, yesterday and today's trading, I should say. The price is back up, testing the low of this swing area through here and here. So you get the idea of what's going on right here between 0.6287 and 0.6301. It would take a move above this area to start to look toward the extreme for 2025. That level moved up to 0.6331, but this area is proved to be pretty stout resistance. We'll see if we can keep that momentum going. What we did see in the moves to the downside in trading here today was that the price did try to extend below the 100-hour moving average. It's a blue line in this chart. We tried to do it in trading yesterday as well, but each of the time the market fell below that level, the market failed. We then started to use that level as support in trading yesterday, here, and here, before breaking to the downside in the Asian session and trading here today and trying to move lower, but then ultimately waffling back and forth above that 100-hour moving average. So the 100-hour moving average still remains a level of significance to me. I know it hasn't necessarily worked all that well for traders on breaks below it and trading here today, but at least for long. But if the price were to come back up to this swing area through here, find willing sellers like it's trying to do right now, breaking back below the 100-hour moving average might be the kick start that needs to be seen in this currency pair to get the traders thinking more for more probing to the downside, maybe that down toward the rising 200-hour moving average, a green line in this chart. So there you have it, a look at the Aussie versus US dollar from a technical perspective, testing the low of a swing area. We'll see if that momentum can continue. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.